these are all the materials you're going to need to make this item splitter. So I'm just going to collect them really quick. So what you're going to first want to do is place two chests right next to each other, but make sure that they don't merge together. You can do that by shift right clicking on the ground next to that chest. And connect a hopper pointing into each of these chests. And place a double chest on top of here. This should be combined. And then what you're going to want to do is place one solid building block. This can be any solid building block, but not something like glass, which is transparent. Place a comparator looking out of the chest. That's looking into another building block, which goes and powers a repeater, which is set to the default tick. And place a block here and here with redstone dust on each of these. Then place two temporary blocks. Oh, okay, yeah, two temporary blocks like that, and one dropper looking down from it, like that, and place our piece of redstone dust on top of here. Now, this should be how it looks so far. Now what you're going to want to do is get an observer looking at the dropper and checking. So this is like a redstone loop that just keeps going through here, and every time it looks through it, which is every one tick, it powers the observer, which sends a redstone impulse, which is going to be switching between turning off both of those hoppers. So this is going to be pointing into this is going to be powering a sticky piston, and you're going to place an observer looking down. Oh wait, no. Okay, yeah. You can also first keep two building blocks right over here. This is where the observer is going to be looking at, these two blocks. And look all the way at the corner and make sure the observer face is looking into the sky. And then you're going to place two redstone repeaters on both of these blocks right over here, and set them to 4 ticks for both of them. And the redstone repeaters are going to be powering this block, which is going to be leading into two redstone torches over here, and that's the entire build. Now we can test this by putting in 4 chests, and you see there are 2 chests in each of these. You can also place a redstone lamp over here, and what this is going to do is, this is optional, it just checks if there's anything in the chest. The comparator checks if anything is in the chest. If there is, then it's going to be powering this redstone lamp through this block over here. So that'll just tell you when the item splitter is running. And the second design, which we have right over here, it's about the same thing, but the chest is elevated 1 block higher. So I'm just going to go through a quick demonstration on how to do that. So you have your 2 single chests, hoppers running from on top, but still pointing downwards into the chest. All the materials needed for this design is just 2 more building blocks. And you have to actually connect both of these over here, and it's about the same thing. So let me just get that block, and it's going to be checking if there's anything in the chest. Sorry for the lag. And a redstone lamp over there. Now on this side, this is going to be a redstone repeater set to the default tick with 1 block over on each of these places and 2 temporary blocks. Right, and then you can remove those, and a dropper facing downwards. Yeah, perfect. And redstone dust on each of these. You know how to do this. I just showed you. If you don't, then that would just be quite... I don't know the word. Anyways. The observer. And that's going to look into a sticky piston, which is going to be moving an observer. And you're going to want to keep 2 blocks over here, like that. And these are where the 2 extra blocks come from, because you need to place further repeater if it's 1 block higher. Then these 2 blocks over here, place down your repeaters on both of these, set to 4 ticks, and 2 torches over here, and that's the second design done. And let's just test this with, wait, no, that's too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 in total. There should be 3 in each, and there are. So that's how to make the item sweater. Remember, the entire design wasn't made by me. It was made by Siowski. I almost forgot the name over there. And yeah, all credit to him. And this design is just a little bit changed version. I'm going to link his video in the description. And see you guys in the next video once I have a new potato skin. I hope you like his temporary. I'm just looking through many skins. And goodbye.